So today I'm going to show you how to sell your stock on the Public Investing app. So we have the app loaded up here in real time, so I can take you step by step on how to do this. Now, if you haven't yet downloaded the app but are just interested in learning how to do so beforehand, I'll have a link in the show notes so you can get a free stock when going through the sign up process. So let's go ahead and show you how to sell a stock on Public Invest. We're here on the main page of the app, and if you've already bought a stock, this will make it really easy because you can see your portfolio right there at the front. You can see Airbnb, you can see a couple other stocks that I have. If you don't want to see it from this perspective, what you can also do is click on the person icon on the bottom right. This will take you kind of to your overall portfolio. And what you can do is actually scroll down and also see your account right over here with the different stocks you already own. So what we're going to do is actually look at Airbnb for just a moment and click on here. And what we're going to do is want to sell. So you see that option on the bottom right that says trade. We're going to click right over here and you're going to see the option that says sell. So if we click on here, it gives us the option to sell a certain dollar amount, or we can click on all, or we can click on different amount. Now, the other option we also have as well too is the bottom left-hand side with those three little dots. If we click on here, it gives us a different type of order that we can do. We can do the limit order, or we can also do stop orders as well. So if you're interested in one of those, you can do that as well. But we're going to stick with just selling through the dollar amount. So we're going to click on different amount, and we're going to just go ahead and do $5 that we're selling off today. If you want to, again, you can do all. We're going to click on sell $5, and right over here, it's going to confirm that that's what we want to do. So we click on confirm, and it goes through that process, and boom, sold $5 worth of Airbnb. Now you are ready to go to learn how to withdraw your money from Public Investing, which I'll have it right over here if you would love to learn how to do so. My name is Dennis, and I will see you in that next video.